wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you all today?
We are fine.
Great.
How about you?
Very well. Thank you for asking. So, is there anyone who is absent today?
Astrid.
Astrid is absent. Okay, there are two students who are absent today.
Yes, Miss.
So, do you remember what we have learned last week?
Video Sampuriang.
Okay, video Sampuriang. So, Sampuriang is what type of text Sampuriang is?
Narrative
Yes,
text.
narrative text. So you have known about narrative, yeah? Because last week we have a little bit discussed about narrative text. Okay?
Yes.
So, do you remember what we discussed last week about Sangkuriang? For example, what is the moral value of Sangkuriang? Do you remember?
Marry your mom. Don't marry your mom.
Okay. Ya, kita harus menghormati orang tua.
Respect your mother.
Do you remember the character of Sangkuriang? Sangkuriang, Togong, ya, the dog. And then who is Dayang Subi?
Sangkuriang's mother.
Okay, Sangkuriang. Thank you, Arima. So today you have to work in group. Okay.
Yes.
I have group you into three group. Yeah. Yeah. There are A, B, and C. So the first group A, is Harini and Ara. And then the second one is Rita. And then the third one is Akrima.
Yes, Miss.
The three of you, yeah, three group have different tasks. Okay, so please remember the first group, which is Harini and Ara. Yeah, you have to make the language features. Okay, you have to identify the language features. You can search any information using your device. You can search on Google, you can search on book or anything. Okay, so you need to mengumpulkan data tentang language features of narrative text. Okay, the second one, Fitra ya. Untuk Fitra, tolong kamu mencari informasi mengenai generic structure. Okay, generic structure of narrative text. The last one is Akrima. Okay, Akrima, you need to find the definition.
Yes.
And then the purpose or social function. And then the last one is the type. Okay? So, do you remember what you have to do?
Yes.
Yeah. Please sit in your group.
Alright.
Yeah. Maybe we will work for 30 minutes. Is that enough for you?
Yes.
Okay, you can start now.
Okay, Miss.
Yeah. If you need any help, you can ask me.
Miss, can I use phone?
Phone?
Yes, I have phone.
Yes, of course. You can use your phone. Any difficulty? Yes, you can take that. Okay, what about this group, guys? We have found
The recommendations.
okay, that's a good source. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Settings
For type application.
Yes, for type.
Mulai
Okay.
masuk ke masalahnya. Resolution.
Okay. What is your
Ini complication sama ya?
what you have to do? Search the language features. Okay, please find the
Biasanya isinya itu
example.
itu ada browser sama karakter.
Yes, and example in there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright.
Okay, for more instruction, after you have done your work, you need to present in front of the class.
Oh no,
Oh no, it's okay, Akrima.
I'm shy.
I'm shy.
It's okay, you need to practice.
I'm
so that you-
shy.
Yeah, it's okay. You need to present in front of the class, and then so that your friends can understand, because you have search the different thing, yeah, about narrative text, so that your friend can understand as well about each element of that narrative text. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
So, so every
Oh
group
my God.
have to pay attention to the one who is presenting in front of the class. Okay?
Alright.
Text that those
Okay, I think the time is up. So, who will be the first one to present in front? Okay, Arif and Ara, please come to us.
Alright.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from Group 1. We would like to present our work about the language features of Sangkuriang.
Of narrative text. Okay, I need 4 type and I will explain 2 and Ara 2.
Okay.
Me first.
Yeah.
Okay, the first one is language feature menggunakan simple present tense.
Simple
Okay.
past.
Simple past tense.
Yes.
Oke, sorry guys. Narrative text biasanya menggunakan simple past tense karena akan menceritakan peristiwa atau kisah yang telah terjadi di lampau. And then the example is, once upon a time in small village there lived a kind, generous old man. One day, as he was walking through the forest, he stumbled upon a giant squash. Amazed, he inched closer. Okay. Then nomor 2 yaitu menggunakan adverb of time.
Adverb of time.
Oke, adalah kata yang memberi keterangan terkait kapan peristiwa itu terjadi, berapa lama dan seberapa sering. Contohnya, early in the morning, and then she meet her friends for lunch. Okay, next is Ara.
Okay, the third, menggunakan adjective. Adjective adalah kata yang digunakan untuk mendeskripsikan noun, kata benda, dan pronoun atau kata ganti. Contohnya, the brave knight entered the dark, mysterious forest, ready to face any challenges that lay ahead. The fourth is menggunakan noun phrase. Noun phrase adalah kata-kata yang berfungsi sebagai kata benda, bisa berupa tempat, orang, makhluk hidup, dan lain-lain. Contohnya, the bright morning sun cast a golden glow on the calm waters of the lake, creating a breathtaking view.
Okay, thank you.
That's all from
That's
our
all from
group.
us.
Okay. Please, for the other group, do you have any question about this group? If there is no question, I will ask the question.
What is the function of adjective in narrative text?
Okay.
Adjective. The function. Okay. The function of adjective text membantu menciptakan cerita yang lebih rinci atau deskriptif.
Okay. Is that?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Clear.
Alright. That's it, guys?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Thank you for the first group. Please give applause.
Yay!
Thank you. Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay. Next, who will come forward?
Mitra.
Mitra. Silakan Mitra.
Alright, I will present about general structure of narrative text. Yang pertama itu ada orientation.
Okay.
Orientation itu bagian pembuka dari sebuah cerita teks narasi. And then ada complication. Ini berisi permasalahan dari yang terjadi dalam cerita. And then ada resolution, berisi penyelesaian atau akhir dari sebuah cerita teks narasi. And the last is the orientation. Ini bagian terakhir, biasanya berisi kesimpulan atau moral value, dan tidak semua cerita itu memiliki the orientation ini. Tidak semuanya ada yang orientation.
Okay, thank you. That's good. Any question from other group?
It's clear.
It's clear?
Yes.
Okay. So let's review. First, what is the general structure of narrative?
Orientation.
And then
Complication.
And then
Resolution.
and the last one.
Reorientation.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Fitra, for your presentation.
And
Please.
all for me. Thank you.
Okay, please give applause to Fitra. Okay, the last one is Atrima.
Yes. Bismillah. Okay, guys, I will explain to you about the definition of narrative text. So, narrative text is text that tells chronological past events, and the purpose of the text is to entertain the reader. And narrative text is usually fictions, or it's not real. And there are several types of narrative text. They are legend. An example of legend is like Sangkuriang, the origin of Cibubur, Malin Kundang, etc. And then the other type is fairy tale, folklore, science fiction, and adventure stories. That's
Okay,
all.
that's all. Okay. Do you have understood?
Yes, I think so, Miss.
Okay. Is there any question?
Things.
Yeah.
Okay, it's clear.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, Atrima, for your presentation. Okay. Now, after you have learned about each element of narrative text, okay, let's review just a little bit, yeah. Okay, first one is generic structure. We have 4 generic structure, okay, and then language features, and the last one is there is a definition, purpose, social function, and then
Types.
okay, types of narrative text. All right. Now, Miss have assignment for you. Okay. So please prepare your phone. I will share the link. So you need to do it.
Yes.
About 30 minutes.
Okay.
30 minutes is enough for you? Okay.
Enough, Miss.
Alright, I have shared the link, guys. Please do in time, yeah? Alright. Okay, guys, time is up. Yeah. You have finished your assignment?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. I think that's all for today. You did a very good job today. And if you have any question, please raise your hand.
It's enough.
It's enough, yeah, it's clear. Also, I have shared the reflection that you have to fill in. Please fill in by today.
Okay.
Thank you for your great cooperation. We'll see you next week with the new topic. Okay? And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.